Now we are looking at question number 21 from the Everyday Mathematics of the Olympiad Math Workbook for class 3, and let's look at the question that we have. Madhu wrote a number on the blackboard as shown below. So she wrote 6 and then a dash and then 9. If it is formed from three different digits, then which of the following digits could be placed in the gap to make it the greatest number out of the given options? So let's write down 6 dash and 9 as Madhu wrote it. So let's choose option number A and write the value of option number A, which is 0. And for option number B, let's write down 6 and then 5 and 9, which is from B. Now let's choose option C. Let's write down 6 and 9 with a dash, and option C is 9. Option D is 6 and 9 with a dash, and we can fill 8 here. Now if you look at this answers that we have, the biggest number or the greatest number formed is 699, which is option C. But if you look at the question again, it says different digits. So since the digits have to be different, here you have 9 repeating twice. So we have to look for the next largest digit, which is 689, which is our option D, and 8 is the correct answer. Now let's look at question number 22 from Everyday Mathematics. The question reads as, Sohan has 2 baskets full of some number tokens. He likes the numbers that are in the red basket. Which of the following numbers formed by using the digits given in the baskets will he like the most? So let's write down the numbers that are there in the red basket that Sohan likes, which is 9, 6, 5 and 2. These are the numbers that he likes. Now what we can do is try to check option A and see how many of these numbers are present in option A. In option A, 8 is in the blue basket, 7 is neither in the red basket nor in the blue basket, 6 is there in the red basket, 1 and 3. 3 is neither in the red basket nor in the blue basket. So it's only 1. So now go to option B. Here you have 6, which is in the red basket, 5, which is in the red basket, 2, which is also in the red basket, and finally 9, which is in the red basket. So B could be is your answer, and you can stop your calculation from here. But for the sake of solving, let's go to option C. 7 is neither in the red basket nor in the blue basket. 5 is in the red basket, which gives it 1, and 6 is in the red basket, second. 3 is neither in the red basket nor in the blue basket. Now let's go to option D. 6 is there in the red basket, 9 is there in the red basket, 5 is there in the red basket, but 8 is in the blue basket. So here you have 3 red baskets, 2 red baskets, 1 red basket, and option B has all the 4 numbers that are present in the red basket. Sohan will definitely like the option B with all the numbers that are present in the red basket. Now we are solving question number 23. So what is question number 23? Question number 23 reads as, Sonia is playing with some number cards. She made a deck of these cards and pulled the cards as shown below. So she pulled out 5, 6, 8 and 2. Her mother asked which is the largest possible 4-digit number that can be formed by using all cards. Help her to find the answer. So, if you see the numbers are 5, 6, 8, 2, what you need to do is first write these numbers in descending order. Since we need to find the largest number, always use the descending order. So the biggest number is 8. Then you have 6. After 6, you have 5. And lastly, you have 2. So your descending order is 8, 6, 5, 2, which is option A. It's time to solve question number 24. So let's look at question number 24. Mrs. Sharma wrote a 4-digit number on the blackboard. 3 students, Anshu, Vishal and Badal, said the following statements about the number. What did Anshu say? Anshu said, it is a 4-digit number but not the least. Vishal said, it is less than the largest 4-digit number but greater than 9,997. Badal said, its hundreds place digit is 9. If all of the 3 students said the truth, then find the number. So now what we need to do is, we need to find out which statement among the 3 students can help us come to the answer quickly. It is a 4-digit number but not the least. So there are a lot of numbers that fall under the 4-digit number which are not the least numbers. So let's hold this up thought of Anshu for a while and come to Vishal. It is less than the largest 4-digit number but greater than 9,997. Here, this statement has a lot of value. Now, we know that the largest 4-digit number is 9, 9, 9 and 9, which is 9,999. And what did Vishal say? That it is less than the largest number. So, the number has to be smaller than 9,999, right? And so this is less than this number and greater than 9,997, right? So the only number that falls between this is 9,998, right? Now what we can do is validate the result that we got from Vishal to check if Anshu and Badal statements comply with the answer. It is a 4-digit number, which it is, but not the least, and is not the least 4-digit number, right? Now go to Badal's statement. It says that its hundredths place digit is 9. So if you see here, this is the units place, this is the tens place, this is the hundreds place. Hundreds place is 9, which is also true. So the correct answer is 9,998, which is option B. Let's look at question number 25, which is our last question at the everyday mathematics section of class 3. So the question is, 4 boys are playing a number game. Each of them are writing their favorite numbers. Arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order means from small to big. The numbers Rahul, Ravi, Tarun and Raj. So what we should do is, we should act smartly since we are learning from sugar maths. So what we should do, we should first find out which is the smallest number. If you can see, the smallest number here is 1252, which belongs to Raj. Let's write down Raj. This is the smallest number. Since this is the smallest number, we can easily eliminate option A, option B. Right? Now we have to find out the next smallest number. The next smallest number is going to be Tarun, which is 5425. Let's write down Tarun. But option C has Tarun and option D also has Tarun, right? So now let's go to the third smallest number. If you see, we are left with Rahul and Ravi. Rahul has 5672, which is still smaller than 7297. So let's write down Rahul, and immediately you can understand that D is the correct option. Lastly being Ravi.